Hello, my name is Juan Diego Rocha. Pronunciation exercise. One, introduce myself. This is me. I work in a bank as cashier. I live in Yopal with my mother and dog my pets. I practice and love football. Stay one. On my last vacation, I went to my grandparents' farm. Was my dog. I was there for 12 days. It was incredible. Stay two. The weather there is warm and sunny. Where you go, following recommendation are appropriate. One is a good idea that you wear hats. Two, it's recommended that you don't wear a scarf. Three, it's necessary that when you lie down you have blankets. Four, it's recommended that you use sunscreen. Five, it is important that you wear good glaze. 6, it is recommended that you protect yourself from the cold of the morning. 7, it is recommended to wear light clothes and socks. 8, it is necessary that I use boots being near the river. Step 3, what you should do. People should use sunscreen. What you should not do. They should not use pool on Tuesday. Thank you.